How to use digital tools with mind mapping for multimodal learning. Are you curious about how to combine digital tools with mind mapping to boost your learning? Let's break it down step by step. Multimodal learning is all about using different senses and ways of thinking to enhance how we understand and remember information. Mind mapping is a fantastic visual method that helps organize thoughts around a central idea, making connections clearer. First, you need to pick a digital mind mapping tool that suits your style. Some popular options include MindMeister, Miro, and Xmind. Each of these tools has unique features like an infinite canvas, real-time collaboration, and the ability to attach multimedia elements. You can create a central concept and branch out into subtopics, using colors, images, and links to make your map engaging. To incorporate different learning styles, consider these tips. For visual learners, add images, diagrams, or videos to your mind map. This will help them visualize concepts better. If you learn best by listening, embed audio notes or voice recordings. This way, you can hear the information as you study. For those who prefer hands-on learning, use interactive features like drag and drop options and clickable links. Lastly, include text notes for those who like to read and write. Digital mind mapping tools also allow for collaboration. You can work with classmates in real time or at your own pace. This interaction can deepen your understanding through discussion and shared ideas. Now, let's look at some practical steps for effective study sessions. Start with a clear central topic to keep your focus sharp. Break down complex subjects into smaller parts using branches and subbranches. Color coding and icons can help categorize information and highlight what is most important. Attach relevant files or web links to enrich your mind map with diverse resources. Regularly review and update your mind map to reflect new insights or changes in your understanding. Lastly, use presentation modes or export options to share your maps or turn them into study guides. By combining the visual structure of mind maps with multimedia and interactive features, you can engage multiple learning pathways. This approach makes study sessions more dynamic and tailored to your preferred learning styles. So, get started with these digital tools and watch your understanding and retention improve.